How to enable or disable reader mode in Google Chrome. First of all, you have to open the Google Chrome web browser on your computer and navigate to a web page, for example, a news article. As you can see that this page has many distractions, making the actual content seem limited. So to activate the reading mode, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. Select More Tools that is below the Cast, Save and Share. And from the menu that appears, click on Reading Mode option. Now you will see a simplified version of the page. You can adjust the size by dragging the edges of your preference, and the same article is now presented in much more clearer format. Additionally, reading mode is also customizable. You can change the font, increase the text size, or disable links for a cleaner look. You can also adjust the latest spacing, making it easier to read, especially for those with visual impairments. Moreover, you can switch between themes, including a light mode and a pleasant yellow mode. That's all for reading mode. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.